Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to put pictures in TikTok comments. So let's get into it. First of all, navigate to the TikTok app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once the app opens, find the video where you want to comment with the photo. Let's suppose I want to add a photo to this video's comment. To do this, tap on the comment icon located at the right side of the screen. A new page will pop up from the bottom of the screen displaying the comments. Select the comment where you want to add an image. Now from the bottom left corner, tap on the camera icon. Here you can either record your own video or image or tap on upload to select a photo from your phone's media library. Select a photo from your phone's library. You can adjust the comment position over the image, and once everything is set, tap on next. Write your reply to the comment or tag your friends if desired. Once everything is ready, tap on post and the image will be posted as a comment. And that's it. This is how simple it is to comment with a photo on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.